Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making fluffy cheddar biscuits, or also known as a version of Red Lobster biscuits, which are super delicious. This recipe has a lot of the similar ingredients to what the Red Lobster biscuits probably have. I might be adding a little bit more of this, a little bit less of that. The bottom line is, these are garlicky, they are buttery, and they are loaded with cheddar as they should be. This is going to be so good. We're also making them because biscuits filled with cheddar and garlic. Add some paprika and parsley. Slather butter on top. These are the memories I love to keep and eat all day. Let's make the biscuits right now. Yeah, right now. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. One other note, this recipe has a little bit of sugar in it. That sugar allows the biscuits to be even fluffier inside, so don't skip it, but if you really want to, you can. All-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, garlic powder, salt, paprika, addition of parsley, whisk together, unsalted butter. Using your fingers or a pastry cutter, mix that in. Whisk your egg into the buttermilk. Cheddar cheese. Leave the rest for on top. Make a well in the middle of your mixture here. Add your buttermilk egg mixture. Stir to combine. Scoop the dough into 12 equal portions and then place on your baking sheet with parchment paper or that's lightly greased. Brush each with melted butter. Divide the remaining cheese on top. Into the oven for 15 minutes. Then we're going to take them out and add more butter on top. Oh yes. We'll also switch the racks around. "15 minutes is up. Time for more butter. Add more butter. Back in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes until they are golden brown. And the biscuits will spring back when you touch them. Let's check them. All right, they definitely look a light golden, and let's see if it springs back. Ooh, it actually does. Let's take them out. For the final touch, we add more butter, of course. Oh my butter, cheddar, garlic, paprika, everything biscuit. Look at that bounce. It's got spring in it. The cheddar cheese is nice and golden on top. The biscuit itself is lightly golden. My kitchen smells like pure heaven, as do these. This is what's doing it. It's all in the taste. Let's see. It is so light and fluffy inside, and the garlic and the cheddar really come through. This is really delicious, but I think I might have to take another bite just to be sure, you know. If I can make these fluffy cheddar Red Lobster biscuits for the very first time in my life with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check me out on Instagram, and keep sending me those recipe requests.